I am Charlotte. This is Michelle.
Hi.
I'm glad you're here today.
Thanks for having me.
Well, I'm glad you came. Can you tell us a little bit about some preventative maintenance that owners could be doing to their rental properties?
Absolutely. You know, one of the most important things that owners need to take care of is the HVAC system. That's a big ticket item, and you really want to maintain it to try and keep it running smoothly and properly for as long as possible. So we strongly recommend an HVAC preventative maintenance program, which will service the property 1 or 2 times a year.
That's great. That's great. Do you have a vendor that, already in hand that these owners could use?
We do. We have a preferred vendor that does a great job servicing our properties. Of course, owners can choose any vendor they'd like, but we're happy to set that up using our preferred vendor.
Great. What's some other things that they could do?
Very common things are power washing the house and cleaning the gutters every year. And those are things that owners typically forget about when they're not living in the home. And not maintaining those things can cause HOA violations, gutter leaks, water intrusion. So that's a really easy thing that we can do to help take care of the property.
Right. And owners shouldn't expect the tenant to get up there and clean things off the roof.
No,
or
absolutely.
Clean the gutters out.
No, that would be a huge liability. We don't want to do that.
No, we don't want to do that. What's something else that they could be doing right now?
Some optional services would be things like maintaining the garage door. A lot of people don't realize that a garage door company can come in and service the garage door, inspect the springs, lubricate the system, and that will really help extend the life of the garage door.
I hadn't even thought about that before. Yeah, mine probably sounds atrocious. But is there anything else that you might want to encourage an owner to do, or maybe ask their property manager to help them with?
Yes, if homes have a wood-burning fireplace, it's really important that those fireplaces are inspected and cleaned annually. Yeah, you don't want to have a CO issue because of a dirty fireplace or a dirty chimney, so those should be inspected and cleaned annually. Another thing is making sure if there's an irrigation system that it is inspected annually and that it is properly winterized to prevent busted pipes underground, that sort of thing.
Yeah, I think we have someone that would come out maybe in November, drain it so that you don't end up busting your manifold or any of those other things.
Absolutely.
And then get it turned back on in the
Yeah.
spring.
That's right. For a nominal fee, you can have it winterized properly, and it's going to save a huge amount of money on repairs in the spring.
Great. Well, and all of these things are considered operating expenses too for the owner, right?
That's right. These are general preventative maintenance things that any homeowner should be doing for any property, including their own.